Here's resonated, I think. High flow metal substrate catalytic converter. Second half of the downpipe. Wastegate. And up pipe. With the wastegate recirculating. That's extra for this turbo kit. Didn't know if I wanted it at first, then I had to Google the difference, and holy hell, I wanted it. Connects right there to the wastegate with flexible tube. And these nice with clamps. You can pay for them to wrap it, but I wrapped my own. You can get this stuff for like 12 to 15 bucks on Amazon. It's black. I suppose it doesn't stay black for long, but not too concerned about it as long as it does its job and doesn't allow this thing to get hotter than it could without it.